So here exercise 2.4, this is actually optional one, but we have to solve this one. These are also very important questions which may appear in the exams also. Sometimes he has asked in the exams. So we have to be ready for solving this type of questions also. So here what he has given, verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubical polynomials below are their zeros, means this and this and this, these are the zeros of this polynomial, and also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each cases, that we have solved in the exercise 2.3 also. This is a cubical polynomial. So now we will take the first portion. In this, polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and what he has given, 3 zeros he has given. This is alpha, beta and gamma he has given. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to minus 2. We already know that the formulas for calculating the sum of zeros and product of zeros, that is sum of zeros of cubical polynomial is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which can be calculated as minus b by a only. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c equal to minus 5 and d is equal to 2. So here minus b by a means minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Here sum of product of zeros is equal to, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. C is equal to what it is? Minus 5. So minus 5 divided by 2. This is minus 5 by 2. And product of zeros is equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to d by a, which is equal to d is 2, a is 2, that is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So we know alpha plus beta plus gamma, and we know the sum of product of zeros, that is alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, which is equal to minus 5 by 2. Alpha beta into gamma is equal to 1. Now we have to find out whether these alpha beta gammas are satisfying these equations, that we have to calculate. See, alpha plus beta plus gamma, we have to substitute these values and we have to verify whether we will get minus 1 by 2 or not. That is the question. So here we will go for solving this one. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus of minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. We will take LCM 2, 1 plus 2 minus 4. Okay. So minus 1 by 2. So this is alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is also equal to this one. And now alpha into beta is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Beta into gamma is equal to what? 1 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Gamma into alpha is equal to minus 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. So now we will add this thing. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to, again 2 LCM, 1 minus 4 minus 2. So 1 minus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is equal to this one. And the product of zeros, alpha beta gamma. So alpha beta gamma is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2. So 2 cancel, which is equal to minus 1. So this alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So this is minus 1. Okay. This is satisfied. So now we will go for second question. So now we will solve this second question. So here alpha is given 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to 1. And in this, as per the coefficients, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means minus 4, minus of minus 4, a means 1, this is equal to 4. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. C is equal to what? 5 divided by 1, which is equal to 5. Alpha beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a, which is equal to minus of minus 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. These three we have got from the coefficients and the formula. So now we will verify as per this one. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So this is 4, this 4 equal. and alpha beta is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Beta gamma is equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. Gamma alpha is equal to 1 into 2 equal to 2. So all these three, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So this is equal to this 5. And alpha beta gamma is equal to 2 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 2. So this is also satisfies. So in this way, we have verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of these polynomials. Okay, we'll go for second question. So here in this exercise 2.4, question number 2, find the cubical polynomial with the sum of products of its zero taken 2 at a time, and the product of its zeros are this and respectively. So he has given alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is the cubic with the sum he has given as 2, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7, because you see sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, that is 2 at a time, alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, and the product of its zeros, that is alpha beta gamma, is equal to minus 14. This is the given data. So we have to find out the cubical polynomial. We have to write the cubical polynomial by using these identities. That is, we know that the general expression will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general expression for the cubical polynomial. Okay, we know that x cube minus sum of zeros into x square plus this one sum of product of zeros into x minus product of zeros. This is the general expressions. So we will substitute these values and find out the polynomial. X cube minus 2 into x square plus minus 7 into x minus 14. So x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This is the polynomial. Exercise 2.4, question number 3. If the zeros of the polynomial of this polynomial are a minus b, a plus b. Here he has given zeros, that is alpha is equal to a minus b, beta is equal to a, gamma is equal to a plus b he has given. Students, please don't confuse this a minus b, a and a plus b are alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Like that, you should not confuse these things. He has given zeros directly, that is alpha he has given, beta given, gamma given. Okay, so now from this equation x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1, we have to find out, as per the formula, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus of minus 3 by 1, which is equal to 3, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, which is equal to c means 1, a means 1, it is equal to 1. So alpha beta and gamma product is equal to minus d by a, so minus of 1 divided by 1 is equal to minus 1. Now we will equate these things with these obtained results. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma also we will calculate here, that is a minus b alpha plus beta is a plus gamma is a plus b. So here a and a, this is 3a, and b gets cancelled. So this is a alpha plus beta plus gamma. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3a, and here also alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. So this we will equate 3 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 1. This we got. Now we will go for alpha beta into gamma is equal to minus 1 we got. In the same way we will get this value, that is alpha into beta into gamma is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay, here a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square into a. Okay, this is a cube minus a into b square. This is equal to alpha beta gamma, but alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 1. We will substitute, that is a cube minus ab square is equal to minus 1, and also we know that a is equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 1 into b square is equal to minus 1. So this 1 cube means 1 only. So this one will take to this one. So minus b square is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So b square is equal to 2. So b is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. So when we are taking the square root has got two values, plus or minus. So then, so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. So these are the a and b values. So we will go for the next question. See, now we will solve this exercise 2.4 in the question number 4. If two zeros of the polynomial are 2 plus or minus root 3, find other zeros. See, two zeros he has given. One zero is 2 plus root 3 and one more zero is 2 minus root 3, because 2 plus or minus root 3. Okay. And how many zeros are there? The degree of this polynomial is 4, means other two zeros we have to find out. So zeros he has given means, we have already seen in the exercise 2.3 that suppose some zeros are there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. These zeros, the product of these zeros is equal to the polynomial p of x. Okay. So here this is variable x, means we have to take this one x minus 2 plus root 3 1 0 1 factor, and x minus 2 minus root 3 means plus root 3, and other zeros xy is equal to this x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. This is the equation. So now first we will find out the product of these two, and then this product will be divided by this polynomial, then you will get the product of these two zeros. Afterwards you can factorize and find out the zeros. So now first we will calculate this product. X minus 2 minus root 3, this is 1, and x minus 2 plus root 3. Okay. See here, x minus 2 minus root 3, x minus 2 plus root 3. Okay. You observe this one. This is same. This is a, and this is b. This is b. So this is like a minus b into a plus b. Okay. So the formula will be a square minus b square. In the same way you will substitute here. A square means x minus 2 whole square minus b square means root 3 square. So x minus 2 whole square means x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, x square plus 4 minus 4x minus root 3 whole square means 3. So x square minus 4x plus 1, product of these two zeros. So now we will divide this one with this one. Okay. So here x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So here we will divide x square minus 4x plus 1. So here x4 is there, this x square will multiply. So x fourth minus 4x cube plus x square minus plus minus. This is gets cancelled. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube. This is minus, this is minus. Minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35 we will write as it is. So now minus 2x cube is there. So minus 2x we will multiply. So 2x into x square minus 2x cube. Minus into minus plus 2 into 4 8x square. Then minus 2x. So here plus minus plus. This gets cancelled. So minus minus means 27 8 35. 35x square. This is minus. So here plus plus is there. 138 plus 2 140x minus 35 as it is. Okay, 35x square. So here minus 35 will write. So minus 35x square. So minus 35 into x, 4x. So minus minus plus 35 into 4 means 140x. Okay, minus 35. I think it is gets cancelled. Plus minus plus. So whole thing will be gets cancelled. It will be equal to 0. So now this is the quotient. So other two zeros are here. So this one will take x square minus 2x minus 35. This one we will factor. So 35, 5 7s are 7 1s are. So 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So middle term we will get x square plus 5x minus 7x minus 35. Okay, x into x plus 5 minus 7 into x plus 5. 7 5 is 35. So x minus 7 one factor, x plus 5 another factor. So equated to 0, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. So other two zeros are 7 and 5. So he has given two zeros, that is 2 plus or minus root 3, and another two are 7 and minus 5. 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 7 and 5 minus 5. Okay, we'll go for next question. Here exercise 2.4, in that question number 5. If the polynomial this x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10, this polynomial is divided by another polynomial of this one, x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a, and then find the k and a. So now we'll make as usual procedures, that is x to the power of 4 minus 6x square, sorry 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x, then plus 10. So this to be divided by another polynomial, that is x square minus 2x plus k. Okay. So now here x4, this is x square, so x square, x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. So minus plus minus, this is gets cancelled. So minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, so minus 4x cube. Here plus 16x square minus kx square. See here plus 16x square minus kx square. Okay, minus 25x plus 10. Here in this x square will take common, so we will write this equation rewritten as minus 4x cube plus, here see x square coefficient will be 16 minus k. Okay, or otherwise 16 minus k into x square minus 25x plus 10. Okay, the same thing I have written like this. Now minus 4x cube is there, here minus 4x will multiply, so that minus 4x cube, then minus 4x into minus 4x into minus 2x, so minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8, 8x square, so here plus 8x square plus, see here minus 4x into k means minus 4kx, minus 4kx. Okay, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this gets cancelled. See here this is plus, this is minus, means 16 coefficients first we will subtract, 16 minus k minus 8 of x square. Okay, now this is minus, this is plus. Okay, this is plus 4k, so this plus 4k minus 25. Okay, now it will be correct. This is 10. Okay, see here 16 minus 8 means 8, 8 minus k, this we can rewritten as 8 minus k into x square plus, see here 4k minus 25 will write as it is. Okay, 4k minus 25 into x plus 10, we have rewritten like this. Okay, now x square, here plus 8 minus k will multiply. Okay, 8 minus k into x square. Okay, 8 minus k into x square, then minus, see here 8 minus k into 2x. Okay, 8 minus k into 2x plus 8 minus k into k, 8 minus k into k. Okay, in the same way we will write. So this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this gets cancelled. Here this is positive and this is also positive, so both to be added. 4k minus 25 plus, see here 8 minus k into 2x, 2 is multiplied here 8, 2 into 8 16 minus 2k, this is x, this is x coefficient, and plus 10, this is 10 minus 8 minus k into k. 8 minus k into k. Okay. So now this one and this one. What he has given? He has given that this one, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Okay. So the remainder we have to equate it to x plus a. This is the remainder. See, this is the remainder. We have to equate it to x plus a. So means the x coefficient is 1. This is constant. So this total value, it is equal to 1. So now here after equating this one, see here, minus 25 plus 16, it is minus 9. 4k minus 2k, it is 2k, which is equal to 1. So 2k is equal to this one, 9 plus 1. 2k is equal to 10. K is equal to 10 by 2. So k is equal to 5. So k value we got it. So now x plus a means this whole value is equal to a. 10 minus 8k minus into minus plus k square, which is equal to a, this as per this expression. Okay, k value we got it here. So a is equal to 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, a is equal to 10 minus 8, 5 is 40 plus 25. A is equal to 35 minus 40. So a is equal to minus 5. So k is equal to 5, a is equal to minus 5. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.